guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm finally trying on these products from my Boxy charm. So I'm just going to put yours on really quick to get my hair out of my way. So the stuff I'm going to be trying out today is these House of Lashes, this Party Animal palette, this Smashbox lipstick, and then this Bang Beauty. I think this is supposed to be eyeliner. It's like brown, but I'm going to use it as my eyebrow color actually. So, you know, that's just what I'm going to use it for. So to start, I'm going to do the Bang Beauty. It is chocolate gel eyeliner. So I don't really use brown as eyeliner, so I'm just going to see how it works for brows, even though it's probably going to be crazy. I'm still going to try it anyways. This is definitely darker than something I would use in my eyebrows, just because I normally use like a taupe. Majority, that's all I've ever really used, just because I'm a natural redhead and then my hair is always super crazy colors, and when my roots grow out and everything, they're really light. My eyebrows are actually a lot darker than my natural hair even, so it's kind of got that going on. That's one eyebrow that is so much darker than I normally do my eyebrows, but it doesn't look terrible. It's just a very deep brown for me. I'm super not used to that, but so far it's not too bad in the eyebrows. Even though it's supposed to be an eyeliner, you can use it for both. Your eyebrows and your eyeliner can match. Super dark brows for me. So now I'm gonna go in with the Browgal in just this color, Brown Hair 02, and I'm just gonna brush through a little bit. So that is my eyebrows. They're a little darker than what I'm used to, but I don't think they look terrible, so that is good. I am going to go in with my You Had Me at Hello palette really quick, and I'm going to do my white base on my eyes, just because the Party Animal palette is very colorful, so there isn't really anything in that that I can base my full eyelid with like I like to do. So I'm just using Candygram like usual. I really do. I love this color. Like, if you look at this palette, it's so funny. All the other colors are like completely fine in it and look like they've barely been touched because they have. And then the Candygram is like almost gone. Like, I would order another one of these palettes just for this color because I love it so much. Let's see if you guys can see it. Can you see the dip? It's like more than halfway gone. And I've only had that palette for like a few months now, like 4 or 5 I think. And I've used a lot of it. Party Animal covering out. See? No basing with these. Alrighty guys, so these colors are pretty intense. I'm gonna use Ranks, which is this orange color, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. I love how orange this color is. It's so pretty. So orange, it's so pretty. I am about it. So the pigment is really good. It does not actually have any fallout right now, so that is impressive as well. Next, I don't know what to do. There's just so many intense colors in this. Now, okay, I'm gonna go in with It's a Party. It's a Party. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Just bear with me. Okay. Let's do my other eye. I'm pretty impressed with how well these eyeshadows go on in the pigment of them. Like, for real though. They are very nicely pigmented. They're kind of like the Electric palette from Urban Decay, but these might actually be more pigmented. And that palette is very pigmented. But that's like this literally is just like a miniature version of that palette. Like, no joke. No joke. I mean, the colors are different, but they're like alike, because most of the ones, I think all of them, almost all of those are shimmery, where these ones are not. Now I'm going to go with Bottoms Up, this pink color, that sparkly color. We're going to put that in the crease and a little bit of the outer corner. I'm just going to kind of feather it out a little bit. So I'm just kind of building the pigment on the outer corner the most. I'm like in love. And I love how it looks over the orange. I'm a little too excited over here. Now, let's go in with, I'm gonna take Hangover, or Hungover I mean. I'm just gonna put a little bit of it under. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, I know it looks super crazy. But now I'm gonna take Karaoke. I'm gonna put that connected to it. So dark. And I'm gonna take this super tiny brush and I'm gonna use Damage Control. I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner, kind of blend that down and in to the darker blue. This is a lot of makeup. Okay, and I'm gonna take that first brush, the orange. I'm just gonna go through and blend that out a little bit more. Looking intense. A rainbow threw up on my face. Now, there's gonna be like color overload, but that's okay. I'm gonna do a little eyeliner to kind of darken this up here a little bit. Apparently I want gigantic wings today, because why not go super dramatic? And now, I take the orange brush, I'm gonna just blend it out. Pretty much already is. Okay guys, so my eyeliner is on. Now I'm just gonna put on some mascara really quick. Okay, mascara on. Right, lip liner. Now to add to the crazy, we're gonna put on Be Legendary lipstick by Smashbox, which is like Barbie pink, literally. Wow. This might be the craziest I've ever looked in my life with makeup. Okay, and the finishing touch will be these House of Lashes in Siren. Look how long these are. I just feel so extra right now. These are some intense eyelashes. I actually really like these. I really like how these look so far. Now, I'm going to spray it all in. Take off the ears. And that is the final look for you guys. So colorful, holy moly. Like color literally threw up all over me. And yeah, it's kind of how I look. Like a rainbow, walking rainbow. Okay, all of these products worked extremely well. Like this eyeshadow is really, really good quality. It blends out well. It's really beautiful, super pigmented as you can see. Like, zoom into my eyeball. This lip color, it's really like smooth. It's way too much for me personally with my hair and my eyes like this, and then this is just like, and my shirt is also colored. Might help if my shirt was black or something. I don't know, maybe. Probably not though. It's a lot going on. This is like real intense for me. It's a little out of my comfort zone for sure. But I don't think it looks bad. It's just a lot for me. So, I don't know why I'm saying 20 times. These eyelashes are beautiful. I really like them. I've never had House of Eyelashes lashes, so I'm super into these. They're super beautiful. They look really natural even though they're super long. They look really good though. So I'm about them. I'll probably wear them all the time now until they just can't handle it anymore. And then the eyebrow stuff, even though it's not eyebrow stuff, the eyeliner. I think it works really well for eyebrows personally. I probably won't wear it as an eyeliner because I don't wear brown eyeliners. If you guys do wear brown eyeliners and you really like brown eyeliners, I think this is a great eyeliner as well probably because, I mean, my eyebrows are really pigmented, so I only imagine if you condensed it into like eyeliner. So it works super well as well. The payoff of all the pigment in all this is insanely good on all levels for everything. And yeah, I'm about this box. This box is like rainbows throughout everywhere. And I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. And I know I look a little crazy, so you don't have to do this exact look with this stuff, but you could if you wanted. I hope you guys, I just said that already. I'll see you guys in the next video.